weather, how the climate and the weather will changes in our daily life, okay, according to the seasons, like that it will be changes. And the next topic is factors influencing the climate and weather. In that we have they have divided four types. And first one is latitude. In the previous class I have said you about the latitude. And second one is land water relationship. Third one is relief. And fourth one is upper air circulation. Today I am going to teach about land water relationship. Okay, see, what do you mean by land, what do you mean by water? What is the relationship between land and water? Land, obviously you know, we are staying on the earth, that is called as land. And water is very important source in our daily life, yes or no? Yes. And the relationship between water and land, let us see. I have drawn a diagram of land and water relationship in the day times and the night times, how it will be changes. Let us see, this is a picture of daytime, how it will be there. Warm air, see here, warm air goes and cool sea, this which is there in blue color, it sea is a cool sea breeze, then it enters into the sea and sea cooler, it will be very cool in the daytime, yes or no? Land warm, yes, in the daytime the land will be little bit warm, like hot, and slowly the changes in the timing, yes, in the climatic conditions it will be changes. First is warm air will come, yes or no? Afterwards cool sea breezes, next sea will be very cooler, the land will be warm. Okay, this type of things which are changes in our daily life. The same picture if you see in the night time, how it will be in the night times, you all know about night times, how it will be. See, let us see it briefly discuss about the night time. Here, cool and breeze in the night time, the air will be cool and breeze, and land will be cooler. Yes, in the winter season we'll get land cooler in the evening time. It starts. In the night time it will be very cool. Next, sea warmer. Yes, sea water will be little bit warmer, hotter. And the warm air, yes, it goes from the warm air and in which is there in the blue color, the cool and the breeze air will come. This is the differences between the day and night time. The land water relationship. This is a land and this is a water. In the both diagrams same as it is. I hope you all understand about the land water relationship in the daytime and the night time. Let us enter into the next topic, that is relief. Relief. What do you mean by relief? Relaxing? No, not like that. And let us see. You have learned that temperature decreases as altitude increases. Yes, when the temperature decreases, altitude will increases. And hence, hills and mountains will have lower temperature than locations on the plain. Yes, hills and mountains have lower temperature. Why? Because hills are very high. That's why the temperature will be low. And you would have heard about several hill stations of the Himalayas region like Shimla, Gulmarg, Nainital and Darjeeling, places that have a cool climate even during the peak summer months. Yes, these four cities will be have very cooler. In the summer time also it will be very cool. And next is similarly Kodaikanal and Udamandalam, it is there in Ooty, have cooler climate compared to places near the coast. Yes, Udamandalam and Kodaikanal will be very cool. This other relief topic is about the cool sections. Okay, where it will be very cool. Ooty, yes, Udamandalam, and next Kodaikanal. These types of areas or cities will be very cooler. And next topic is upper atmospheric circulation. Let us see how the circulation will go. How it is circle like that in the night time and the daytime, like that also upper atmospheric will also circulate. Let us see. In the northern hemisphere, subtropical high pressure belt gives rise to permanent winds. They blow towards the equatorial low pressure belt by reflecting towards the west and are called trade winds. Okay? Trade winds. Relief, and fourth one is upper atmospheric circulation. Okay, I said about the relief and upper atmospheric circulation, and let us see about this rise to the permanent winds. Okay. Subtropical are rise in the deep atmospheric circulation and also in the permanent winds. Winds are permanent in the upper atmospheric circulation. They blow towards the equatorial low pressure belt by reflecting towards the west are called trade winds. Okay, towards west side. This side will be west. Yes. East, west, north, south. Okay, west side winds are called as equatorial trade winds. Okay, west side winds are called as trade winds. And next, the German word trade means track and stands for blowing steadily in the same direction and in a constant course. India lies in the belt of dry northeast trade winds. See, the word it has taken from the German. The trade is called as track. T-R-A-C-K. Okay, the word has taken from the German and the word is called as track. And India lies between the belt of dry northeast trade winds. Okay, north to east. These trade winds India will lies. And the climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currents known as jet streams. Okay, underline that line now. Page number 48. Upper atmospheric circulation, second para. The climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currents known as jet streams. Okay, upper air currents. Is called as jet streams. Okay, in the upper atmospheric circulation, upper air current is also called as jet streams. These are fast flowing air currents in a narrow belt in the upper atmospheric about 12,000 meters. Okay, it takes 12,000 meters. Okay, next. The speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summer to about 184 km per hour in winter. An easterly jet stream develops at about 24 degrees north latitude. Okay, here see the speed it takes 100 km per an hour. And in the summer, in winter, okay, it takes in summer. And in the winter season, how much kilometer it will take? It takes 184 kilometers per hour. Okay? And easterly jet stream develops as about 25 degrees north latitudes. Okay, it takes 25 degrees north latitudes. A jet stream causes the neighboring atmosphere to cool. This cooling effect of the easterly jet stream causes rain from clouds already formed over this latitude. Okay, they have founded already, means before itself the 25 degrees north latitudes. And with this we have finished the fourth topic in influence factors of climate and weather. Let us go to the next topic and that topic name is seasons. Children, are you getting my points clearly? Season. What are the seasons which you all know? Yes, seasons are seasons. Okay, in a year, how many seasons are there? Summer, winter, rainy, yes, and recreating. Okay, these are the main seasons, and let us see about all the seasons. Page number 48. The temperature in the India land mass considerably reduces from mid-November, and this cold season continues till February. January is usually the coldest month. Day temperature sometimes drops below 10 degrees Celsius in several parts of the country. Yes. When the season will start? Summer? November to Feb. Think. In the January month and the December month, how it will be very cool. Yes or no? After February to June, half of the month, middle of the month, it will be very hot. And rainy season, always the rain will fall. Maybe sometimes cool also. And okay, the lines in map below indicates places that have the same average temperature for January. During winter, the weather is generally pleasant with clear sky, low humidity and cool breeze. Cyclone depressions coming from Mediterranean Sea called western disturbances cause low to moderate rainfall over northern India. See, we can change the climatic conditions will be changes with the particular period of time, and also I'll explain you in the next class, and you all get ready with the India map. Okay, you all get ready with the India map, and I'll tell in the which is there in the textbook. Okay, see, once go through the page number 49. India average temperature degrees Celsius January. Okay, I'll tell you in the next class briefly about this map. Okay, I'm stopping now, and you all do the homework. I want a short note on factors influencing climate and weather. Okay, I want a short note on factors influencing climate and weather. Okay, write in your own words. If you want to do any diagrams, drawing, anyone is interested, means you can also do. Thank you, children.